Alright, tonight's homework is to complete this puzzle, this side of the worksheet. I have attached a blank copy if you forgot it. And 1, 2, and 3 we did in class. I'm just going to review what you need to know in order to do and complete the puzzle. So, I asked you to remember the little acronym for your trig function, which is with Chief Sokotoa. S is for sine, and that is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's your so. Ka, C is for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA, O over A, which is opposite over adjacent. And everything's in relation to the given angle. So on number 4, it's sine of B. We look at angle B. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I have to look opposite, and 13 is the hypotenuse, so I'm going to write the ratio 12 over 13. Well, that is this one here, so that is A. So now I look at the bottom, find number 4 at the bottom, and I'm going to put the letter A. Now they want us to do cosine of B. Cosine is A for adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent means next to, so the side that's next to angle A, angle B, is this 5. So that's adjacent, so I'm going to do 5 over hypotenuse, which is 13. This right here is the adjacent part. 13 is the hypotenuse. So the next number 5 is T. So at the bottom, I find number 5, put the letter T. Then we're doing tangent of B. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite again was 12, and adjacent is 5. There's opposite over adjacent. So that is S. For number 6, I'm now putting the letter S. So now we're going to do 7, 8, and 9. Even though there's radicals, you're still going to do the same ratio. Sine of A. A is my angle. So I'm going to just label my parts. Across from the angle, that's your opposite. Across the right angle is always the hypotenuse. And next to the angle, that's the adjacent. So sine is opposite. Opposite is the 1 over hypotenuse. So this would be 1 over 2. There it is, 1 over 2. So I'm going to put an I there. So number 7, letter I. Now cosine is adjacent. Adjacent was the square root of 3 over hypotenuse. So that's the square root of 3 over 2. There's the adjacent. There's the hypotenuse. So that's E. So 8 is going to be E. And then 9 is tangent. That's opposite over adjacent. That's 1 over the square root of 3. And that is the R. So 9 would be R. So I'm hoping this will give you the hang of how to write your ratio. Also use this little acronym that we had here to help you with sine, cosine, and tangent. And complete your little puzzle. At the end, a phrase should come out, and it goes with the title of the worksheet. It says, what did Mrs. Margarine think about her sister's husband? So hopefully that's a little clue that it makes sense and is written out correctly. All right, so if you have any questions and you cannot finish this homework, then I should be seeing you in the morning to get that done. We're going to check it tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.